Hi everyone, my name is Lakshmi. This is my final project on AWS CloudTrail for the class Cloud Computing and Internet of Things. Getting started with CloudTrail introduction. CloudTrail is a web service that records AWS API calls for your account and delivers log files to you. All the API calls are made for AWS services like Redshift, S3, EC2, any services. It's all recorded by CloudTrail service and is recorded in the form of log files. The log files basically contains the identity of the API caller, the time of the API call, source IP address, request parameters, and then the response elements. It is saved in two formats. One is through, you can view them through the view event button on the console, and the other one is stored in the S3 bucket in the form of log files. Why CloudTrail is important? Well, it is important because it could be used to perform, sorry about this, it is important because it could be used to perform security analysis, to track the resource changes in AWS, to troubleshoot operational issues, and for compliance auditing. How does it work? So you make API calls through console, or you make it through SDK or through the CLI to use the services like RDS or Redshift, S3, EC2, and whenever you make these API calls, the CloudTrail records the calls to the APIs, and it stores it in your S3 bucket, which could be then subscribed through an SNS topic, and you can get an alert or some kind of message every time it gets recorded. My final project concept, yes, so I've tried building an automation tool which records and displays the log information on creating and running an instance. So for this, I've created an SNS topic for run instance event in my CloudTrail. I've created a queue using FQS. Then the queue is subscribed to the SNS topic. Every time someone creates an instance or runs an instance, the CloudTrail records the API call, and SNS publishes this notification to the subscribed queue. I've used Eclipse project, Java program, CloudTrail service, of course, SQS and SNS web services, and yeah, the S3 buckets to complete my project. As a part of this project, I've also tried executing CLI commands to operate on CloudTrail web service. I've also developed a few Python programs to pull the log information from AWS based on attribute values like event ID, event name, and a program, and also a program to implement one of the CLI commands, get trail status. Last but not the least, I've also demonstrated how to work with CloudTrail web services through Management Console. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you learned something. Thank you.